A large asteroid, which was expected to pass extremely close to Earth, may now hit the blue planet in 2068 due to a phenomenon called Yarkovsky effect. This effect has eventually accelerated the asteroid's flow and also changed its path. Astronomers, closely studying the asteroid, believe that the chances of an impact on Earth are very low, but it is still a possibility. They will know well before 2068 if there is any chance of an impact. Discovered in 2004, asteroid Apophis is a 1,120-foot wide asteroid. That's about the size of 3.5 football fields, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration said. According to a report in Space.com, the Sun can heat an asteroid in a non-uniform way, causing the space rock to radiate heat energy asymmetrically. This can cause a thrust or a tiny push in a certain direction, sometimes changing the path of the asteroid. This effect is called the Yarkovsky acceleration. All asteroids need to re-radiate as heat the energy they absorb from sunlight in order to maintain thermal equilibrium. A process that slightly changes the orbit of the asteroid, a press release by the University of Hawaii said. Before the discovery of Yarkovsky effect, the possibility of the collision was impossible. The detection of this effect acting on Apophis means that the 2068 impact scenario is still a possibility, it read. As per the new calculations by astronomers at the University of Hawaii at Manoa, asteroid Apophis, which will also be extremely close to Earth on April 13, 2029, is deviating from its actual orbit and may crash into Earth in 2028. Lead author David Thalin said in a press release on October 26, "We have known for some time that an impact with Earth is not possible during the 2029 close approach. The new observations we obtained with the Subaru telescope earlier this year were good enough to reveal the Yarkovsky acceleration of Apophis, and they show that the asteroid is drifting away from a purely gravitational orbit by about 170 meters per year, which is enough to keep the 2068 impact scenario in play," he said. Basically, the heat that an asteroid radiates gives it a very tiny push. The warmer hemisphere of the asteroid would be pushing slightly more than the cooler hemisphere, and that causes the asteroid to drift away from what a purely gravitational orbit would predict, David Thalin was quoted as saying during a press conference. He said that some astronomers found asteroid Apophis quite troublesome with numerous impact scenarios predicted, and then largely ruled out since it was first discovered in 2004. Asteroid Apophis, named after the Greek god of chaos, is expected to harmlessly zip past Earth on April 13, 2029, which fall on Friday, the release said. During its 2029 flyby, Apophis will first become visible to the naked eye in the night sky over the southern hemisphere and will look like a speck of light moving from east to west over Australia. It will get brighter and faster as it will zoom past Earth. According to NASA, during its 2029 flyby, asteroid Apophis will first become visible to the naked eye in the night sky over the southern hemisphere. It will look like a speck of light moving from east to west over Australia. Apophis will then cross above the Indian Ocean, and continuing west, it will cross the equator over Africa. The Apophis close approach in 2029 will be an incredible opportunity for science. Please like and subscribe to our channel Space Bites and also click the bell icon to get new video updates.